What's up guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you 4 secret formulas that you can apply in your trading account in order to become that profitable trader that you want to be this year. So I'll be sharing this role with you just like the way I apply on my own trading account in order to see massive results this year. I'll be sharing with you so that all of us can go into this together and see what the market is going to do for us. So let's get into the video. Let me not waste much of your time. So our first formula to becoming a profitable trader this year is going on an aggressive mode in the market. And this is how to go aggressive on the market. Just like the way most times we get opportunities in the market and we take 1-2 trade on it and we still make reasonable money in the market, we are going to find out those opportunities that we used to take before and they used to go well for us. Like those setups that we used to take before and they used to favor us very well in the market, we are going to find them out. And whenever we spot those opportunities in the market, we are going to stack a lot of trade on it. We're going to take a lot of trade on those setup, whereby if the market is to go against us on those setup, we are going to lose little amount of money from the market. And if the market eventually goes well with us, just like the way we have used it many times before, we know that these strategies are not supposed to fail us in the market. So if the market goes well for us, we're going to make crazy amount of money in the market. Imagine if I spot any of my setup right now that makes me nothing less than $10 on a single trade. So imagine taking it by 5 times, imagine taking it by 10 times when you're trading an account of $20. That's about $70 altogether if that trade goes well for you. And if you're going to lose money on that same setup due to the fact that you're trading a small account also, make sure you're not losing anything more than $3. That's why you have to make sure that you get sniper entries so that if at all you're going to lose money on that asset, you're going to lose little money from that asset. So we're going to look for setups that we know how to trade very well in the market, and we're not going to take 1-2 trade on it. We're going to take from 5 trade upward in order to see massive results on those same assets in the market. But in case you lose money on those same setup, we're going to make sure that what we're going to lose in the market is going to be very, very little. By doing this, we are going to go aggressive a lot on many assets and we're going to make reasonable money from the market. But in case our entries on this aggressive mood goes against us, we're going to try this for like 2 months, 3 months in order to make sure that what we are doing in the market is going to work for us. I believe that before we take 5 good setups that we know very well in the market, we are going to make a whole lot of money trading the market. Imagine if only 3 setups out of this 5 setup goes well for us, we are still going to be very, very, very profitable because at this point, our losses are very low and our wins are going to be very, very big. But if the aggressive way doesn't work for us, we always have our plan B in the market, which is we going into the market in a very consecutive way. So this formula now says that we don't even need to rush ourselves trying to take thousands of trade in order to make reasonable profit in the market. So what we're going to do at this point is we're going to take simple day trading strategies whereby we just have to find out a very, very realistic trade in the market, and all we're going to do is take 2 trades or 3 trades highest. We're not going to take a lot of trade on this one because at this point we are trying to handle our money in such a way whereby we don't have to risk too much in the market in order to get big reward in the market. So this is how to trade in a very consecutive way. Before we take a trade, we are going to check out the risk to reward ratio and make sure that they are very, very far from each other. Let's say our risk is $3-4 and our reward is $20 to $30. That's about 4 times or 5 times of that risk already. So by doing this, we are going to still be more profitable compared to someone who is not even taking a single trade on his or her own trading account. So by doing this, we keep growing our account little by little, and from there we gather up a lot of funds and we will start trading big capitals in the market also, because the bigger your account size, the bigger the money you make from the market if you use bigger lot size also in the market. Very, very important. And also, if these consecutive ways doesn't work for us, we also have our third plan in the market, which is swinging trades in the market. This is one of the hardest ways to trade in the market because it's going to require a lot of patience from you whenever you want to swing any trade in the market. So at this point, we don't have a choice. We still want to make it. We still want to become a profitable trader this year. So we're going to find good swing trades. Good one, not just any swing trade whereby just run into the middle of the swing trade and start swinging from there. Then all of a sudden, the market hits your stop loss and you're out of the trade also. So we're going to find good areas whereby we're going to swing our trade from there. Before we take like 3, 4, 5 trade, we will get a good swing trade that will keep our money in the market for a very long time. And from there, the market will keep working for us until the market hits our stop loss or hit our take profit. That's one of the good things about this swing trade. By going into swing trade, this is how we're going to take our trades in the market. We are going to find about 5 good setup within the space of 2-3 months, and within this space we are going to try to make reasonable money from those setup. Let's say in that setup we are going to risk like $4-5, and what we're expecting should be up to $100 because this is a swing trade. We don't need to be taking all this small dollar from the market. We don't need to do those things. So once we find that swing trade that we're kind of expecting like $100 on each trade, we are going to take like 3 to 4 of it. By swinging this trade for a very long time, if the market goes well according to our plans, we are going to make at least $400 to $500. And check it to the Nigeria currency, that's about 700 to 800,000 naira already. And also, if you're not in Nigeria, for instance, you're living within the region of Africa, that's still a whole lot of money in Africa. And if you're ever living in some other foreign countries, that's still money in those foreign countries. So this is a good plan for us. Before we take like 5 good swing trade that we're very, very sure of, we are going to make like at least 2 or 3 of them are going to go well for us and increase our net worth ASAP. Then from there, our small accounts will shift from that small level to at least $400 to $500 using those good setup that were found in the market. That's another good formula or a good pattern that we're going to use to approach this year in order for us to make sure that we see good results from the market. And also this other last one, which is the fourth one in the market, I call it the survivor strategy. This is where you look into your life and you ask yourself this question: am I really making money from the market, or I'm just predicting the market? Because sometimes you end up predicting a lot of market, predicting a lot of trade, and still end up not getting anything from the market. So you have to look into your life and ask yourself, if I can make this so amount every day from the market, I'll be very, very comfortable. Because you're trying to survive, you're trying to lift your account from that small level to a big level. This is where day trading comes into your trading, because at this point you have daily target now. It's not like you're trying to flip any account. It's not like you're trying to go aggressive on any account. It's not like you're trying to go consecutive on any account anymore. You are targeting $10 every day, you're targeting $20, you're targeting $50, you're targeting $100 under your small account every day. And your target is towards find good entries, find good setup that can give you that kind of money in the market. So every day you wake up to the chart, you look out for good opportunities in the market, just like the way I always tell you. Get your analysis from the higher time frame, then you just bring your analysis from the higher time frames and bring it back to the lower time frames where you are targeting your entries around. Then from this place to this place, you calculate how much the market is going to give you on a single trade or 2 trade or 3 trade. Then from there, you look out for your daily targets. Your target at this point is your daily targets in order for you to meet up with your daily goals, in order for you to meet up with that target that you have set for yourself as a trader. So using this survival strategy in the market right now, you are targeting $10, you are targeting $20 every day. You calculate it from now to the next 7 days and know how much it's going to be like. So if at all you make that $20 every day for 7 days, you're going to make $140 in the market. And if at all you lose 3 times in that week, you're going to lose about how much? $60, and you're still going to be profitable because you still have more money in your account compared to what you could have made or what you could have lost. Because normally our risk is very, very low and our reward is always high. So whenever you don't meet up with that daily target that I've set for yourself, do not be in the haste to make it that same day again. Look for that day, look for that trade, look for that setup that you are very, very sure of again, and get into the market and see if you can still make the target for the other day. That's one thing that you need to know about this whole profitable setup that I'm sharing with you. So that's the formula to become profitable in trading, and I'm sharing this with you so that we all can go into this and see if we're going to get crazy results from the market this year. And don't forget that our flipping challenges will be starting very soon. From there, we're going to achieve a lot from the market, because we'll be doing it before everybody. We'll be posting the video, we'll be posting everything, the losses, the profit, whatever it comes. So that's how we're going to do it in this year. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new to the channel.